Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Puracy Natural Baby Shampoo Body Wash, tear-free soap, sulfate-free, 16-ounce, 2-pack. The older with more severe allergies had no reactions to Honest Baby soap, so all was great until little brother definitely reacted in instant eczema. Gotta be more durable, guys. Dealing with babies and parents, it's gotta be rugged and rough. At least 14 of both bottles was on the outside of the bottle, or the packaging. It's not that easy to find a quality, natural body wash that's not super pricey. Tear-free soaps should have a certain pH similar to that of a human eye so the eye doesn't freak out when soap touches it. This smells lovely light, and not overly fragrant, and haven't had negative reactions to it. Great product, love it, very gentle even for our baby who was born a little early, and her skin was super thin. It has a pleasant scent when lathering on, but does not leave a perfume-like smell once rinsed. He has not had any signs of problems with this shampoo and wash so far. A little goes a long way too, which is helpful when you have 2 kids to wash. A lot of times these make their hair feel less than clean, but this is great on their hair and skin. A company that produces a fantastic product and gives back? You can't beat that. So impressed with the soap and company. First, the lift and peel only lifts the transparent plastic piece, and is not strong enough to peel the foil seal. It's great for an all-natural shampoo, does not have much scent, or strong cleaning ability, does not do a great job, and cleaning thick sweaty hair that has been sweating during school. She doesn't break out from it, and it's a great 2-in-1, so it's convenient. From them fresh sweet scent that's not too strong, to the quality of ingredients, tear-free, and multifunctional body wash and shampoo. Chose this baby wash after researching a lot of the ones you see in stores. The best part is that if baby gets it in her eyes, it doesn't irritate them. A couple squirts of this soap into the bathtub with kids, and they have bubbles, and get clean. It smells fantastic, and leaves the baby feeling fresh and clean without feeling greasy, and more importantly, without drying out his skin. However, it is a fantastic cleaner that leaves her skin and hair clean without overdrying. This might not be that great for a baby or kid, so in that case you would have to be careful. While the dryness scaly is not completely gone, it is certainly better than it had been. The consistency is not too thick, not too thin, and it lathers very well on the kids. Well, continue to buy their soap, and may try some other products down the road. It is natural, it has very gentle smell, and it is so soft on their body. Please make more products, and add more scents. Hard to find clean, green, quality products at this price point. Only concern is that the smell seems a bit perfumey to me, but it doesn't seem to stick around much after the bath or shower. He appears to enjoy it too. After his baths he licks himself dry, and doesn't complain about the taste or smell at all. Although a lot of more natural shampoos exist for adults, it's much harder finding ones for children. We've washed her with Puracy since she was 6 weeks old, and have been very pleased. This is the first body wash I've found that doesn't make it worse or dry out his skin. It has a very gentle scent, and doesn't seem to dry out our child's skin. It isn't too big or too small to rest on your bathtub during bath time. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, and leave your comments below.